So it's the day before sunrise comes to Amavi, and I thought I'd grab the mic and the camera and bring you guys along for the ride to see how we get ready for Sam Mack and the crew. So there's a lot of things to get done. And you come with us today and check out the behind the scenes.
So I am filling all the bags up with all of the goodies.
We're not showing them what's in here yet, are we? No.
No, but there's quite a few samples. They're actually really good bags. And
where's the big stash of stuff?
This keeps growing, so I'm getting more and more bags. Sift card.
Cool.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there's heaps to go. Obviously, we're getting some of the treatment rooms ready, so making sure that everything's looking pretty schmick.
We could even maybe use like a headband and face it the other way to make it look like a
headband?
Yeah, like with the Amavi thing on it.
Oh, right. Oh, that's a good idea. All right, guys, so we've got Trevor here from the Sunrise crew. He's just doing some checks. So as I said, we're taking you behind the scenes of what a day, what the Sunrise crew looks like coming to our salon. So we're really appreciative of the guys. He's obviously got some pretty sexy looking kit there. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned.
What time are you coming?
Around 4.
Is this the earliest you've done? Yeah.
Definitely. By far.
It's bright early.
Not the end, because the end usually goes faster.
Yeah, it normally ends at
Yeah.
full. Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
And then this. I'll keep this one here. This I'll put in front, like that. And then we have to put the things that you just made.
The A5, the A4 pages. So we talking about?
Yeah, like these.
Oh, yeah.
Which I reckon they go behind.
Yep. And the vouchers too. Are there vouchers in there?
The vouchers are in there, so that's what it looks like.
The stickers obviously aren't here yet.
Yeah, and then, hopefully they come.
I reckon they're going to come tomorrow at like...
So all of these...
5. Delivery now.
All of these need that, except this last one. But other than that, they have everything.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
So it is 4 a.m. and we have arrived at the salon. Obviously Sunrise is coming very soon to set up all the cameras, but we have the bar setting up now. I'll just turn it around so you can have a little look. So all our gift bags are ready here, which is pretty cool. It's still dark outside, guys. It's cold. Hey.
Looking good.
Right.
Business here, and it's going fantastic. Been here for just over a year. Tell us a bit about it, Leah. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. So we have obviously moved up from Canberra and we bought this business, and we have put a lot of work to flip it around to what it is today. Everything is customized. We do bespoke skincare as well, facials, skin analysis, skin needling, and we just like empowering women really, and giving self-confidence to feel confident in their own skin.